Hey everybody, welcome to Spring Kiln Opening here at Curry Wilkinson Pottery. I just want to first say thank you all so much for following along with our videos we've been putting out about the making process, glazing, firing, cleaning, everything that goes into the wood-fired pottery that we make here. It's definitely not just throwing a pot and putting it in the kiln. It's a whole lot of steps. So I really appreciate you all taking the time to check all that out, and I hope you're enjoying it. If you have any questions or any suggestions for videos or ideas for videos, just you can leave them below in the comments, or message us on Instagram or Facebook, or here on YouTube. So anyways, just wanted to show you all a little bit of the pieces that we've been making over the past 3 months. So we'll go here and we'll start with our tumblers. All right, so one of my favorite things to make, the tumblers. Always throw these, then carve a foot into them. I really like the foot in these pieces. I think it gives it like an extra little bit of just care basically to each piece. So here we've got some of this the nice slip trail work on here. Nice ash glaze with a sweet slip, kind of almost looks like steel on the top of it. All right, same thing sort of here with the this is just like a metallic slip that goes over the piece, and then you do some swipes through it. Let's see, another slip trail piece, nice dark slip on there with some white accents. Another one, a white slip. And then we've also got some really nice blues. So this sort of gunmetal top with nice blues and sort of greens down here. Those are really, really sweet. Let's see, we've got some more of these kind of, I'd say more like dynamic blues with the slip. You can see it a little bit better here. Really nice blue that comes out there. Then in this one also, blue there at the bottom. All right, and then I had to do a few tests this time with a couple of different slips, and these are just sort of some of the pieces that came out of that. Okay, nice orange, really, really earthy, super cool. Same thing there. Really, really nice pieces. All right, and then we'll go over here to the mugs. Just got some nice kind of natural salt on these, some flashing. Here we go, some natural salt and ash just on that over the regular clay we use here with the slip trailing. And then we got some pretty sweet blues on here. It's almost like a stardust or something, I don't know. Those are always really cool. Got some more blues here with the swipes through it. That nice metallic look. A little bit more, a little quieter, but still really, really nice flashing on there. Okay, and then some more of these, much more dynamic, just, really from the atmosphere in that kiln, getting hit with a bunch of salt, and then sort of the quieter back of the pot that didn't get that blast of salt and flame. All right, and up here we've got planters, lots of really sweet blues, nice blue drippy action on these. And all the little dots. And then some sort of darker blues on these with that slip. And then we've got our ash glaze, which always goes really nice almost like yellowish green to like burgundy, the sweet drips. All right. Another really cool kind of dynamic design on there. All right. Now more of the blue on these bowls. Nice kind of curled in shape with the dots and the blues on the inside. Some more just with that slip trailing on the outside. A nice sort of like dynamic runny inside. Alright. There's sort of more like I'd say subtle blue, but has a really super interesting surface. Really kind of crazy like bluish green orange on the outside. Alright, and then now we've got kind of these larger bowls that are fired rim to rim. You can see the wads on here. Some kind of really dynamic designs like this, and then some more sort of static designs. Another little slip trail there. And these have even got a little bit of that that blue, just a super interesting surface there. All kind of melts into the middle. All right, and then now we got our teapots. Everybody's favorite teapots. Nice slip trailing. Super elegant. Another one. Nice blue design. The slip coming through. All right, and then 2-part vases from our vase video. Some nice blues on these. Nice contrast. These are really sweet, nice dramatic glaze and slip trail combo here. All right, and just some more kind of interesting designs. Really cool contrast on this one from just the regular salt in the kiln and ash that builds up on these pots with the blue kind of cascading down from the top of it. We got some really cool like these blues that come through on here. Okay, and we've got some nice slip trail canister jars here, nice and shiny. Big bakers with the slip trailing on it. Design on the inside. neat little traditional jugs with a whole lot of flashing on them. Right up front in the kiln. Here's some nice blue bakers, real dark, almost goes black. Some more slip trail canisters. A little salty jug. See, you've got some utensil holders over here. Some neat ones fired upside down, so you get that sort of cool drip upwards. And some more traditional ones, kind of a little more quiet. All right. My wife Sarah has some of her beautiful jewelry. Nice blue and white porcelain. You can see, got earrings. Necklaces. All right. We've got a couple of these little tiny canister jars here, not a whole lot this time. Some more of these bigger canister jars. And this time we've got some larger pieces. This is the first time I've done any this size, so you know, just happy they made it through the kiln at this point. So yeah, like I said, these are the first time I've made this size. It's just kind of been you know, a little nerve-wracking up until the firing was over, just making sure that they, you know, made it through and, you know, had no catastrophes. So everything seems like it went okay with these, and I hope to definitely make some more again. Some nice slip trail detail on this ash glazed one here. Really pretty blues and nice slip decoration. And we've got more of our slip trail jars. It's another shape that I really enjoy making and really enjoy decorating. Just sweet little jars. And we've got some more of our just more slip slip covered ones with a little bit of decoration on the bottom. We've got some awesome bottles here, bottle vases, nice slip trail on them. Little jars down here, nice blue on the inside. We've got our big platters with a lot of slip trailing, that nice ash glaze on the inside. Floral designs there. More geometric design on this one. And then another kind of more geometric piece here.